out like there's no way we can go.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time stopping by, I am welcome. My name is Adesholamie and I'm a YouTuber based in Lagos, Nigeria. Please be sure to subscribe to me if you ended up enjoying this video. Also click on the notification bell beside so you can get notified every time I post a brand new video. Alright, as you can see, I am in an empty space today and this is where I film my entire video. This is my filming studio and I kind of want to show you guys what it looks like, but this is going to be like an empty studio tour, me showing you what it looks like and how this place came to be in the first place, because you know I have like an entire room to film in my house. But let me take you back in time. This was actually like an empty room. It was just bricks all over. My house was built in like a duplex home, so we have like the upper part and then the lower part, if that even makes sense. So we've not been staying here, like nobody actually stays here. Like the whole building, the whole rooms upstairs, I'm the only one that has an apartment or that has a room here, and that is because I kind of wanted to make a studio out of it. We had just bricks here in the first place and nobody was staying there, so I just sort of, after my master's here, I just sort of taking my YouTube and content creation came into another level. So I wanted to have like a place whereby I can just walk in and then film a video. I don't have to do a lot of setup like I would normally do before I went for my master's. Yeah, so that was how this place came to be. I had to like do the whole what's this called, the ceiling. I had to do the tiles, I had to paint, do the fan, the lighting and everything. So that was how this place came to be. In case you have been wondering, I did put up a poll on Instagram asking if you wanted like a full studio tour or an empty studio tour, knowing fully well that I'm eventually going to put up an empty studio tour. But anyway, don't judge me. But then I did that because I kind of want to walk you through the process of whatever it is I do here and not just show you like, oh bam, this is what happens, because I'm not so good with keeping short clips on my laptop or on my memory card. I kind of want to get done with everything and move on to the next one. I said, oh, so that's basically how this place came to be, right? So after that, I went ahead to like put this curtain because I wanted more of like a studio kind of effect. I do not want to have like all those regular curtains we have inside of our house. I wanted more of like a see-through curtain. That way I can have air and sunlight penetrate into my studio, but then I do not get a lot of sunlight from here. This video is practically useless, guys. I actually had one other curtain here, bro. It was shorter.
It's hard. You drag your heels through the front door. All the things you won't feel so far. Don't be afraid, cause if it all goes wrong, you forget all your lines, you miss every note. I'm cheering anyway. Whenever you're down, you're never alone. When nothing goes right, let it all go. I'll love you anyway if no one turns up when the lights go low. I'll be here in the front row. When nothing goes right, let it all go. I'll love you anyway if no one turns up when the lights go low. I'll be here in the front row. Let's go to the West Coast. Don't let the fire in you grow cold. When I'm with you, there's no way we can.
I also added this Christmas light.
There's a better time than right now. So pack a bag, we'll catch a flight out. Don't be afraid, cause if it all goes wrong, you forget all your lines, you miss every note. I'm cheering anyway. Whenever you're down, you're never alone. When nothing goes right, let it all go. I'll love you anyway if no one turns up when the lights go low. I'll be here in the front row.
I used two different types of Christmas light here. Anyway, I used the plain white, and then I used the orange or gold light. So because I added the two together, that is why it's giving me this kind of effect, and they are changing in time. If you there's a button over there, if you press it, it changes. Like the way it blinks kind of changes. I think it blinks in like 2 seconds, 3 seconds, or it blinks faster. Sometimes it just goes like 1 second and it goes off like this. So like, can you see how it's coming up? It just changes in a way I can't really explain. So yeah, that's basically how the light works. Yeah, and it's so cute, especially at night.
And I have no fear, but I still wish that you were here. I am so glad you make it clear that you love me now, but no one above me. You show me that you trust me. You're the only one for me, and you know I'm a rider. Yeah, I got that to die for.
Guys, I look terrible. I really like this lighting. Like, I'm not even using any other external light. It's just the LED light here, like SD box, and then my camera and lens. And bro, this is really good. I don't know why I always bother myself with so much light. Like, look at, hey, like this is really good, and I kind of like the vibes that I'm getting of it. To be honest, I think most times when I want to film, I have to close the window, because when the window was open, I was not seeing the effect of shining light. So we learn every day again, and I just learned this one. Almost 7 o'clock now. Moving ahead to this part of the studio, this is where I had some props. I don't know what this thing is actually being called, but I'm sure most of us are familiar with it. I just add some props, extend this Christmas light to it, and it gives me that blurry effect again whenever I use a lens of lower f-stop. It has made a huge difference in my filming setup. It extends all the way up, and I have this beautiful frame of me right there. It's not going to be here, okay, but then let's just leave it here temporarily until I'm able to figure out where I will put it. So I just use this one as props. Another thing I have right here is this table. It actually had like a mirror before, but I had to take it down because it was taking up a whole lot of space and I was not feeling the vibe.
I saw you across the room, got you in my head now. You're all I want all the time, and the days don't end, cause I'm losing sleep, yeah, you stole it. I can't keep on checking my phone, no. I'm out with my friends, but I think of you instead. Is it alright if I got to know you better?
So most times what I do with this table is that whenever I finish filming and I want to edit, I just put my laptop, grab my chair, and I just sit down like this and I just basically edit my video this way. Hi guys. Yeah, so this is what I do, and in these drawers I have like my makeup, we're not going to open this up today, but I have my makeup, my filming equipment, everything I basically use in this place is inside of this drawer, and it is really good. It is really good. I love it. I'm not saying, why am I saying it is really good? But that is what I use it for, and I love it. Yeah, I like the fact that I can just sit back and edit my video like this without having any stress. This chair has also been a lifesaver. I bought it recently. I think this cost about 30,000 naira or thereabout. So yeah, I have this chair. I just sit down over there whenever I want to edit. I also use it to film my YouTube videos. Now another thing I have in this studio is where I keep my wigs over there. Yes, perfect. That is where I keep my wigs. Like guys, this made a huge difference. My wigs used to be like everywhere, like littered everywhere in the house. But now that I did this, I did two of this at first. It came with this table and then my mirror, which I'm going to show you guys later on. But because I wanted to move one of it downstairs, I felt it was really useless. I took one downstairs and eventually we needed it again for something else. So I did this other one right there. So basically I just put my wigs here, and as you can see, they are all neat, nice and clear. Do you get what I'm saying? Good. Another thing I have here to show you guys is this table that I use to film. This is where I basically sit. This is where I film every time. Like most of my videos, I use this table for my laptop, because again, I use my laptop as my viewfinder whenever I film. I just put my laptop here, my reflector. I think my reflector is behind the mirror. My reflector and every other thing I film with this table really makes my filming a lot easier and more convenient. Yeah. So another item I have here is this huge mirror right here. This is like my baby. You know, I think this is one of the best things I have or I love in this filming room. Though it's actually way bigger than I expected it to come in the first place when I bought it. I wanted something huge, right? But the man knew I was very small. I don't know why I did something this big. For me, it's okay, it's fine, and it's really cute, but it's really big. It takes up a whole lot of space here right now, which I think I'm still going to move downstairs eventually. But for now, I really like it because I'm able to take really cute selfies and just display my talents here. Selfies are really perfect, really good in front of this mirror right here. So basically that is like everything in this room. I've showed you how I made my curtain, how the tables came to be, the tiles, the painting and everything. So yeah, that's just how this place is. So moving ahead, I'm going to be showing you guys whatever it is I eventually had here, because I intend on doing some other things, add frames, just bring out, just to have like a very good and fine aesthetics, which is what I'm currently working on. So yeah, if I'm going to be doing that one, I won't have to like go through the whole of this talking again. It's just going to be like an update, which is most likely going to be in my vlogs, because yeah, we started doing vlogs since most of my vlogs are now doing really well. I think people are enjoying it, so I'm trying to like do more vlogs. Yeah, so basically I keep on saying basically. English is very hard though. I studied maths. That's not an excuse, but then don't judge me. So again, yeah, this is everything, and this is where I film. This is where we are going to be creating all the magic you are going to be seeing now in the nearest future, until maybe I go to my husband's house or I probably maybe go somewhere else or move out of this place. But for as long as I'm still staying in my father's house, this is where I'm going to be filming most of my videos. I do not want to like involve my family in my videos except they want to. That's why I don't use like my sitting room, my room, or anything, because this is not where I sleep. I was actually thinking I'll put a bed here, but I feel like by the time I put a bed, it's not more like a filming studio. It's going to be like a bedroom. The moment I put my bed here, I want to bring like my skincare product here, bring this, and trust me, I'll probably have a TV here, which is not the main purpose of setting this up in the first place. So yeah, we've come to the end of today's video. If you liked it, if there's any advice you want to give me, if you think there's anything I should do to make this even look better, to make this look even more better, then let me know in the comment section. This is just like a work in progress. I'm going to be showing you like an update about it later on. So thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you do. If you're not subscribed to me, make sure you subscribe. Subscribe. Share this video, save it, or do all of those stuff. Thank you very much. My name is Adesholamie, and I'm going to see you in my next one.